Okay, so it's been all cleaned up. It's got a couple of coats of paint. It's basically ready to install. So you can see it. I'd plan on spending about an hour and a half getting all that crud off of it. Like I said, I used the angle grinder with the sanding pad thingy on it, and that seemed to work pretty good, and that's about the best thing to do. Oh, battery died on the GoPro. So you can see, shaking like a leaf. The bumper's been test fitted. Not the bumper, the trailer hitch from BJ's. It is one hell of a job to do alone. So raised it up on those blocks as high as I could get, used a jack on another cinder block in the middle, jacked it up, got the holes aligned, and got the bolts started. So I'm going to tighten them up. I'm going to mark where the other bolts go, and then it's drill time. Okay, well, we've got all the holes drilled and put it back on there to fit it. Everything's looking good, but there is one slight little problem. I'm going to pause this and show you what that problem is. So this is the hardware that it comes with. Looks like grade 8. So by happenstance, the 2 bolts I fitted on there went on great. The rest of the hardware supplied. Let's see if I can get this on here with my left hand. Hold on. Switch hands. As you can see, the nut is too large for the bolt. The nut is too large for the bolt. Different bolt. So obviously there was a quality control issue when they packed the hardware, and I just got lucky, I guess, and for the first 2 bolts that I picked had the correct nuts with them, just by chance. But all these other 4 bolts for the other 4 these other 4 nuts for these other 4 bolts are the wrong size. Imagine that. All right, so I'm gonna have to pause. I'll probably pick up tomorrow to finish up, go buy some correct nuts, and but it's a bolt-on application. So yeah, if we had the proper hardware, it would be bolted on and ready to tow. So all right, BJ, thanks. You guys are usually pretty good, and I appreciate you. I appreciate your quality products. This is just a little snafu. Thanks. More to come in a little bit. Okay, it's installed. Went to the auto parts store and got the grade 8 hardware that I needed because of, like I said, that BJ's just had a little problem with their quality control. Wrong size nuts for the bolts. So it's all hooked up. Got a trailer hitch on it. Now it's a good truck. Okay, I got an 8-ton hitch back here. Way overkill, but hey, that's what I picked up. Easy peasy. And for towing the camping trailers and stuff, it's going to be just fine. So I am just finishing up some painting where I took the ball hitch off the bumper. So that's what's going on there. But otherwise, yeah, it's a bolt on. Okay, got to do a couple drilling for those 2 back bolts. Oh. This is an existing hole, and other than that, it just kind of pops in there. But boy, it is a bear. Or like I said, one person to try and do it. I had to get my wife to come help me for just a few minutes when I was lining it up. Once you get it in these first 2 to test fit, it's pretty simple. But yeah, laying on your back, putting it on cinder blocks and trying to get it where it needs to be using a jack, it's a pain. But it didn't take that long. If we had all the hardware, it would have been installed completely, you know, test fitted, pulled off, the new holes drilled, and then reinstalled within 2 hours. But like I said, an hour and a half to clean it up and get it painted, because it does ship bare metal with, you know, mine had quite a bit of surface rust. But that's about it. Thanks for watching, appreciate it, and hopefully we'll have some more videos soon.